Hey guys, we're just showing the unboxing of this new Apple M3 MacBook Air 13 inches. So this is it comes in this box, and then there's a big box inside which have this MacBook Air. So this is a M3 MacBook Air. This is a 8 GB RAM with the M3 processor and 250 gigs of the storage. So the opening, of course, of Apple is always nice. So we have to just take out these stickers and then open the box. So this comes in a really nice protective casing to protect your MacBook. And this one is actually a midnight blue color. So I'm just taking this out and you can see a nice midnight blue color with this four base thing rubber pads, and then this one. So this is a little faster than the M2s or M1, and then this have this magnetic charger and the adapter. So the some of this paperwork or the manual and stuff along with this so that you can see, but basically it's a charger, charging cable, and the MacBook Air. So this MacBook Air do not have any inbuilt fan, so that's how the its weight is less and the size is also small. But this is also good for like the small working thing because of the fan, the heat dissipation, and the this screen size is 13.6 inches. So as you just open it, it start and with the different languages with the welcome screen. So it's a 13 inches or overall is a 13.6-inch liquid retina display, and also M3 chip for the Apple Intelligence. But what I feel is the fingerprint is stored on this material on the side, and there is a two USB-C port and one magnetic charger here. There is a aux cable connector as well. So this one is the magnetic charging cable or the adapter that comes with it. And you can also charge this MacBook Air with a USB-C. So and that's a dual thing. So you can use this magnetic charger adapter, or you can also use the USB-C charging cable to charge this MacBook Air. So the magnetic thing you can see holds really well and then stick. So it is a break-free thing here, and then also through the USB-C you can charge. But I can see like if I'm holding this MacBook Air, my fingerprints are coming on top of it. So this one is not will have some impression on this material. But the quality-wise, weight-wise, this looks really nice, and it's a metal. So the feel is good. With the 8 gigs, you can also do a normal work, like the normal work of the browsing and things, because it also used up your internal RAM when you are using multiple tasking or you are doing other stuff. So either you should have a 16 gig if you want heavy work, or you just use the normal general work. This one is enough. So a nice MacBook.